Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a simple sanitizer experiment home. So this is the sanitizer and this is the matchbox. Now we are going to write hello. So put little bit extra sanitizer. It will be nice to be seen. As you wish, you can put. So we have written the hello. Now we are going to light it. As you see, we have written it. So the hello is flaming. As you can see, it's so nice, beautiful.
The experiment has turned out into success. We request children not to try at home, especially because this involves sanitizer which contains isopropyl alcohol and fire. So we request children should not try this at home. This experiment has turned out into a success. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please share your comments in the comment box below. Thank you.